beauty of this localized targeted mass testing is we control the pace. Because the local government owns the test kits, we can come up with our own protocols based on the national framework. Number two, because the guarantee is 2 days turnaround, mabilis siya. Ay, the anxiety level ng tao pwede mawala kagad kasi in 2 days time, in 48 hours, we can give you your test result.
Priority would be given to the elderly people with comorbid medical ailments. Kasama rito yung mga severe PUIs natin, yung mga in critical condition, at saka yung mga frontliners natin. So ito po yung mga kasama natin, o ito yung mga isasama natin doon sa targeted mass testing.
Nandito po tayo sa laboratory natin sa Valenzuela para ipakita po natin yung ating gagamiting mga kit para sa mass testing para po sa ating mga COVID o suspected patient po natin. So, nandito po tayo. Ito po yung test kit natin.
Ang magko-collect nito ay trained medical technology, registered medical technologies, and also some trained nurses to do the process. So they should be dressed up with the standard PPE before they collect it. Kailangan i-check natin yung CIF form. So these are all the informations pertaining to the patient. Then after checking it, they will prepare now the collection set. So they will first collect oropharyngeal swab. So it should be very careful done, so it should not touch the tongue. And then the swab should reach the posterior wall of the throat area. And then we will allow the material, the swab to keep in place for a few seconds to absorb the viral material if there is there. Then this will be placed in the VTM. And there's always a technique to cut the end of the other swab, then close it again. And then we will also be getting the nasopharyngeal swab. So this is a specialized type of flexible tip. So we call it the nasopharyngeal swab. So when this is done, they will disinfect the cooler, and then they have to carry it to the ambulance to the laboratory where we are affiliated, the medical city. So from there, they will start the series of examination now. So the result will be forwarded to the CESU. So it will be placed, they know the email address of the CESU, and it is not disclosed to anybody.